Okay, guys, how do I use my Trust Wallet? This is where this is like a bank account. This is where we keep our coins. Okay, we can also, instead of going to Binance and stress ourselves, we just go into this Trust Wallet, and we can also stake our coin here. What it means stake means you can just save your coin with one of the coins company, and from there they give you some percentage and give you some increment for keeping and storing their coin. You can also swap your coin to another coin. That is, you can exchange your coin to another coin. Maybe you have BNB, you want to change it to USDT. You use this Trust Wallet. You want to also change Silica to Doge. You want to change BNB to chain link. You want to change into BTC to Ethereum. You can use this Trust Wallet. If you look upward, you can see these tokens. You are seeing tokens there. Sorry, excuse me. You can see, let me clean up this. You can see tokens. It means these are the coins there. You can see finance. You can see collectibles. You can see a button here. In this, we're going to go to each of them step by step. So you need to take notes. Now, if you look at the wallet, these are the coins I just picked. If I want to add all these coins, where you buy them, instead of trading, maybe you say I don't want to trade. I just find out I don't feel like trading. I don't have time. What you do is you do your analysis. When you do your analysis, just like what I taught you in my other video, when you do your analysis, you just buy the coin from your Binance or buy it from another platform and send it here. How will I receive it? How will I receive the coin from my Binance? You send it from your Binance, then you receive it here. Now the question asks, how will I receive it? You click the button here, receive. Okay, or let's not go there. Let's just pick any of the coin that is here that you want to receive. You click any of them. Maybe we want to receive Doge. Click on Doge. Click on Doge. It has a receive button. Okay, it has this receive button. When you click this receive button, please don't click that general button. Click the coin you want to receive from. When you click the coin receive, it will give you an address. This address you see here is what you need to put on your Binance or to anybody that want to send to you. It's just like giving your account number to somebody. That is how you send this one also to another person or to your Binance wallet that will be sent to you straight. Once you give it there, you send the amount. It will reflect here. It will reflect. It will not show in your Doge wallet. Sorry. It will not show in your Doge wallet. We go back. It will not show in your Doge wallet. It will show in this place, okay, in this received place. But if you want to send to somebody, you click the word send. You click send. You want to send from this your Trust Wallet. You click send. Put the recipient address, the address you want to send to. That's the account number you want to send to. Click here, paste it there. Okay, you would have copied it from the other wallet, paste it there, and write how much you want to send to the person. If it's everything, you click max. If it's just some percentage or some numbers, you put the figure inside this place. Okay, then let's go further again. Let's go back. Now maybe you want to send, you've seen a coin in trading view, or you've seen a coin somewhere and you want to hold it. Now you say, I'm not seeing the coin in my wallet. What will you do? Click this button. Click this button. Click this button here. Did you see it up? This one, look up there. You click that button there and you click it. Scroll down. Okay, scroll down, or let's go to the search button. Click anyone in the search button. Click there. There's a BTC. Did you see Bitcoin? You will now click this button there that you see. Click this button. It will add the coin immediately to the wallet. It will add the coin immediately inside the wallet. Okay, any coin there, you do that. Then what next is so important inside is that even if the coin you are holding, you know that coin is up, just like what we checked the other time, that ant is growing up. Okay, you see this coin that is here. I saw it's going to go up. This coin and Aragon, I saw this one is going to go up. Look at it since yesterday. Look at it going up now. Look at it increasing 11%. Look at this one, 72% just now. Imagine the time I put some amount of money that moment, I would have gotten 72%. Maybe it's 10,000 naira or $10. You should be getting close to $8 to $9 back. Extra, guys. You don't do any work. You just hold it. That is the magic. You don't need to stress yourself. Just leave it there and just go and sleep. Go to do other work. The next thing again is in this coin is that if I want to swap, I just click the apps. You see this down place? I clicked this down place. Then if you look there further, we see what we call pancake, sushi swap, pancake, sushi swap. We click here. If you want to exchange a coin, you either use this one or you just shift it again. Sushi swap, this one you've seen there. Sushi swap and sorry, I need to sushi swap. Please just follow pancake or Uniswap exchange. Do you see it? Uniswap exchange. This is the number one of them that is we used to exchange any coin that is there. Okay, to exchange coins that is there. Okay, this is Uniswap now. We've gone to Uniswap. Now look at this. If you look at this upside, I clicked this upside. I clicked this upside that you see here. Please hold on. This upside, that is the coin that you have inside your wallet. If you have Ethereum, you click Ethereum. If you have Smart Chain, you click it. That is the money you have inside each of these accounts that you want to use to buy another one. Are you getting what I'm saying? If it's Smart Chain, you click Smart Chain. If it's Thunder Talk, any of them like that is available. So most people use the Smart Chain or Ethereum. So if it's Ethereum you have inside, you will not see the amount of Ethereum here. Okay, but if it's not Ethereum that you have, you can still click. Maybe it's not even up. Maybe you can't find it in this upside. No problem. If you can't find it in the upside, it's not a problem. It's not a problem.